I think the younger generation, I think they're very bright. I think they have a lot to bring to the table, but I think we have to approach them a little bit differently than we would somebody who's a little more seasoned, right? So we have to, those newer people coming to the industry, we can't put them on one area and expect them to do that forever. So we have to move them around through the organization until we find that light go off and they go, oh wow, I like this, or how does this work? And you'll see it. You know, if you put somebody in one little shoebox and never give them an opportunity to see what else is there, they won't be able to blossom. So I believe that we should rotate people, especially with the least amount of experience. And then the ones who have been there the longest, how can we utilize them to bring out their knowledge, the technical side of the knowledge, and be able to share that? So I always say, are people maybe that are coloring their hair and have a little gray on top, hey, you're my college professor and you need to share your knowledge. But at the same time, while we're sharing with this new generation coming in, we need to be open to learn from them. Let's not say we've done that, we've tried that. We really need to be open to new ideas, regardless of where we sit at the table in manufacturing. So I think some advice for younger women or newer women wanting to get into the industry is find somebody that you would feel comfortable to make a phone call, first of all, and say, hey, I'd like to learn more about your business. Can I come in? Can I shadow for the day? Do you have internships, whether they're paid or not? It's nice to be able to come in just to see what's going on so that it takes the intimidation away. You know, this is a hotbed for the automotive industry. I mean, I feel like there's somebody that knows somebody that's connected with the automotive industry. Most people, maybe not all, but most people like myself and most of my team members would love to share a day with somebody new in the industry and say, hey, come on in. We'll set some meetings up. We'll bring you out on the floor. We'll let you sit in on some engineering discussions. And just to kind of spark that little ember. Once you get that ember, and that's why I said, when you get somebody in, let's not put them in an area. Let's expose them to a lot of different things so the little ahas go off. And then we can find what they like. Because I believe you really need to put people in the areas that, one, they like, they have interest in, and that might just be for a season. So once that season's done, we'll move you over to another area. And I think if enough manufacturers did that, and don't wait until they're in college or they've got their career moving, I say go and get them when they're in middle school and high school. Let's not make this a scary industry. Let's involve them to come in. That's one of the reasons that we always like to support, you know, high school robotics. You know, at one point we had the high school robotics team in here. We let them use our shop floor. They kept their items here because we want them in here. We helped them and they helped us. And I think if more manufacturers would do that, I don't think there would be a shortage.